Coming up, I will let you know the 5 side hustles you should explore to earn some extra money. I vetted them so you don't have to. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. A side hustle is an excellent way to make some extra cash while you're working a regular 9-to-5 job. A side hustle can be flexible and you can work on it at night while working during the day. Before you dive into a side hustle, you must do some homework on some good ones before you move forward. For example, if you Google side hustle ideas, you will get many options. Some side hustles may not work for your lifestyle and don't pay enough for how much time you invest. Here are some side hustles that I have explored and I would suggest exploring for yourself so you can make some real money. If you want to put away some serious savings for retirement, pay off some debt, or eventually have your ideas turn into a full-time job, this list of side hustle ideas can help you. Number 1, start a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most visited sites in the world. Starting a YouTube channel is an excellent way to make some extra cash because it's one of the top paying side hustles based on its earning potentials. To make money on YouTube, you need to create some high quality videos. You just need to know some basic knowledge of video production and editing. You can make some good money on YouTube after you follow YouTube's monetization policies and take some time to grow your channel views and subscribers. You can also earn money from sponsorships beyond just standard YouTube advertising money. How do you get started? You create a YouTube account and channel. Add some channel art and set expectations with your audience on how frequently you will publish videos. Film videos and then upload them. You'll be able to make money once you reach the required 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You'll also need to enable 2-step verification with your account and have no active community guideline strikes. Number 2, give design feedback. You can make money by giving feedback to companies looking for input on their designs and want to make their products better. Becoming a tester is quick and easy. You don't need to be a usability expert to participate. So how do you get started? You can participate in design surveys on usercrowd.com. They are quick and easy to do. You earn credits with each survey response you fill out. Once your balance reaches $10, you can request a payout via PayPal. Each credit is about 20 cents. Some surveys pay more credits than others, and UserCrowd alerts testers via email and real-time notifications on when tests are available. Number 3, write on Medium. Medium is a blogger platform that is open to writers. Writers get paid through the Medium Partner Program for the content they publish on Medium. Payout is based on engagement from Medium members and the users they convert to becoming pay members. This platform gives you the opportunity for a built-in audience who can become fans of your writing. So how do you get started? Become a member of Medium and then join the partner program. You must have at least 100 followers on Medium and publish 1 story. To join the program, you link your Medium account to your bank account. Then you provide some taxpayer information to receive payments from Medium once a month. You are paid based on how Medium members engage with your stories. Number 4, create a blog. Blogging is one of the best ways to make money online. It takes some work to create a blog. However, once you have it up and running, you can make money on your blog from advertising and affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates program. You could also sell physical or digital products. So how do you get started? You can use Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress.com to build and host your blog. I use WordPress.com for my knowledge enthusiast blog. After your website and blog are set up, you can start writing posts that will drive traffic to your blog. Once you have some website traffic, you can begin to monetize it. Number 5, sell digital assets. Digital products are online, non-physical assets that you don't require physical inventory. Digital assets could be ebooks, blueprints, templates, PDFs, subscription websites. With digital assets, you only have to write an ebook once and you can update it. You can sell it over and over without lots of production costs. So how do you get started? Figure out what digital assets you want to sell and make the digital products. Ensure you have the value associated with the digital products so others will spread the word about what you are selling. You can sell your products on websites such as Shopify or Gumroad. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. These are 5 of the best side hustles to consider. You can start making some extra cash with these ideas without leaving the house. Start a YouTube channel, give design feedback, write on Medium, create a blog, and sell digital assets. I vetted these 5 side hustles so you don't have to. Thank you for watching. Until next time.